It's late. You know the feeling. 10 o'clock hits, and suddenly your brain is screaming for something sweet. You already had dinner. You were good all day. What is going on? Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about weakness. It's not a failure of willpower. It's about your biology and your daily habits teaming up against you. But don't worry, we're going to outsmart them. Just a quick reminder, this podcast is for educational purposes only. Okay, so let's break down the 4 main reasons that craving meter spikes at night. Reason number 1, your brain is tired. All day long, it's been working hard, making decisions, solving problems. And by night, its energy battery is blinking red. It wants a quick fix, the fastest fuel it can find to feel better. And that, my friend, is sugar. It's like a tiny sugar rocket for your exhausted brain. Reason number 2 is a big one. You're not getting enough sleep. When you're short on sleep, your body's appetite controls go completely haywire. The hormone that shouts, "I'm hungry," gets turned up to full volume, while the one that whispers, "Hey, I'm full," gets muted. This hormonal shift makes you crave high-calorie, sugary snacks, and it makes those cravings feel about 10 times stronger than they normally would. Reason number 3, you're on snack autopilot. Picture this. You're relaxing on the couch, scrolling through your phone, maybe feeling a little stressed from the day. Before you even realize it, your hand is in a bag of cookies without you ever making a conscious decision to eat them. That's the stress and scroll autopilot. And it's a powerful habit that's hard to break when you're not even aware you're doing it. And finally, reason number 4, your dinner left a gap. If your last meal of the day was light on protein and fiber, it probably didn't keep you full for very long. Your blood sugar takes a nosedive a few hours later, and your body sends you on an urgent mission, a hunt for something sweet to bring those levels back up, and fast. So what can we do about all this? Here is the one fix that helps most people most of the time. We call it the snack shield. It's a planned, strategic snack with 2 secret ingredients, protein and fiber. Why is this combination so magical? It's simple. Protein and fiber work together to slow down digestion. This keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and it prevents that blood sugar roller coaster we just talked about. Instead of sharp spikes and dramatic crashes, you get a smooth, steady energy. No crash means no desperate craving. So what does a snack shield look like? You just have to pick one of these easy options. How about some creamy Greek yogurt with a handful of berries? Or maybe some crunchy apple slices with a scoop of peanut butter? You could even go for a small handful of nuts with a glass of milk. They're all simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Now, timing is key. You want to have your snack shield about 2 to 3 hours before you plan to go to sleep. This isn't a midnight snack you eat in bed. Give your body a little time to digest so you can sleep peacefully, shielded from any late-night cravings. At Quick Healthy Lifestyle, we believe small changes create big results. We're here to give you simple, effective strategies that actually work so you can build a healthier, more successful life. We'll do it together, day by day, step by step. So tonight, I want you to try it. Deploy your snack shield, and let me know which one you're going with. Comment below. Yogurt, apple, or nuts? Pick your shield and get ready for a calm, craving-free night.